Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce MFA for safer CRM access step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce MFA for safer CRM access, start by logging into your Salesforce. Navigate to the main setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the setup search box, type session settings and click on the corresponding option. Scroll down to find the session settings section. Look for the Require Multi-Factor Authentication for User Interface Logins checkbox. Check the box to enable MFA for user interface logins. Next, return to the setup search box and type users, then select the users option. Locate the user for whom you want to enable MFA. Click on the username to open their user detail page. On the detail page, find the Multi-Factor Authentication section. Click on the Edit button within that section. Select the option to activate MFA for this user. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Next, instruct the user to log out and then log back into Salesforce. Upon login, they will be prompted to set up their MFA method. They can choose between a variety of options such as Salesforce Authenticator, SMS, or a third-party authenticator app. Ask the user to follow the prompts to complete the MFA setup process. Once completed, they will receive a confirmation that MFA is successfully set up. To verify MFA is working, have the user log in again to test the multi-factor authentication prompt. If needed, you can always return to the user detail page to adjust or disable MFA as required. Following these steps ensures a safer CRM access through Salesforce MFA activation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.